If you're over 50 and missing more targets lately, you've probably heard this. It's your reflexes. You're getting slower. But what if I told you that's completely wrong? Are you over 50 and suddenly missing easy targets? Think it's your reflexes slowing down? What if that's completely wrong? It's not speed, it's vision, habits, discipline, and movement. In this video, I'll show you what's really causing those misses and how to fix it fast. Like and subscribe now so you don't miss what's next. Number 1, the big myth, reflexes. Let's kill the biggest myth first. Shooting is not about fast reflexes. It's about timing, technique, and visual control. Think about it. Clay shooting is predictable. Targets follow a set path every time. You're not reacting at the last second. You're reading the line early and matching your movement to it. Great shooters don't rely on speed, they rely on smooth, controlled execution. So if you're missing, it's not because you're slower, it's because something in your timing or technique is slightly off. Number 2, vision changes. Here's the real issue for most shooters over 50. Your vision changes. Not just basic eyesight, but how fast your eyes lock onto the target and how clearly you track it through the shot. Common problems include slower focus speed, struggling to pick up targets early, and losing clarity in bright sunlight or low-light conditions. These small changes can make a big difference in your timing. Fix it. Get regular eye checkups, invest in shooting-specific glasses, and use the right lens color for each condition. Because the truth is simple. If you don't see the target clearly, you'll never hit it consistently. Number 3, bad habits build up. Here's something most shooters won't admit. The longer you shoot, the more bad habits you collect. Things like rushing the shot, an inconsistent gun mount, and poor follow-through. At first, they seem small, almost harmless, but over time they stack up and quietly destroy your accuracy. You start missing targets you used to crush and don't even know why. Fix it by going back to basics. Slow everything down, rebuild your gun mount, and focus on smooth, controlled movement. Sometimes, experience isn't your advantage. It's the thing holding you back. Number 4, loss of discipline. When you've been shooting for years, it's easy to fall into the trap of relying on feel instead of sticking to fundamentals. You stop paying attention to the small details, your stance, your hold point, and your visual focus, and that's exactly when performance starts to slip. The truth is, consistency doesn't come from experience alone, it comes from discipline. The fix is simple but powerful. Bring structure back into every shot. Set your stance properly, lock your eyes onto the target early, and follow your routine without shortcuts. Treat every shot like it matters, because it does. In the long run, consistency will always outperform experience. Number 5, physical changes, but not reflexes. Yes, your body changes with age, but it's not about speed. It's about flexibility, stability, and endurance. As you get older, muscles tighten, joints lose mobility, and your range of motion decreases. That stiffness directly affects your gun movement, making your swing slower, less fluid, and harder to control. And when your swing isn't smooth, your timing falls apart, and that's when you start missing targets. The good news? This is completely fixable. Focus on light daily stretching, especially for your shoulders, neck, and back. Work on improving shoulder mobility so your gun moves naturally with your body. And most importantly, stay physically active. Even simple movement makes a big difference. You don't need to be fast to hit targets consistently. You just need to be smooth, balanced, and in control. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more shooting tips. And tell me in the comments, what's the biggest issue you're facing right now? Let's fix it together.